today's YouTubers reviewing Cascade. It's good for cleaner and dishwasher cleaner. It's really good for like anything. You clean thermoses, coffee makers, pots. Pretty good cleaner, recommended for like anything. I paid for like $3 for this in the States. The can is like $6 for this. It's nice for camping because it cleans coolers easily. You just basically put this on and boil some water and it cleans all the stains out. Little warm things, as you can see. I'll just show you this. They are 5 stars. It's pretty good for like anything. This is called Cascade. I recommend it. And it's safe to use. It's like good for like anything, so I recommend it. And you can get this anywhere. Craft Tire, Walmart, Home Hardware, Home Depot, TSC, Craft Tire, Zayre's, Walmart. It carries like anywhere you can buy this stuff in powder or clear. This was better than this stuff's a lot better than the clear stuff because all I gotta do is open it up. It's pretty basic. It's clear, liquid. I recommend this and give 5 stars. So peace.